We're going to use a full-size SLR, 100mm macro, and a twin flash to take a intraoral series of photographs.
What Jim is taking in this series is photographs that he might want for many reasons, and in those photos he was taking the excursive movements of the patient, showing them cuspid guidance on both sides.
Down, and then open. Perfect. What we've demonstrated is the use of retractors, mirrors, occlusal mirror, and contrastors, both the anterior and also the occlusal contrastors.
For more education programs, visit the Guide Institute at www.guidedental.com.